Similar to previous Foamposite-inspired designs, the women's Astra Ultra has a low-profile slip-on design with oversized wave-molded midsoles. It is perfect for a variety of terrain and urban wear because of its ridged midsole that extends into a robust outsole design and its upper, which is made of matte synthetic materials with minimalist branding. The heel-looped abs and forefoot's tonal black swoosh provide delicate accents without detracting from the sleek appearance. Nike's push towards innovative, fashion-forward footwear is seen in the Astra Ultra's aerodynamic design, distinctive sole unit, and simple lacing system. For the worldwide women's market in particular, it is yet another illustration of how Nike is bridging the gap between sport practicality and lifestyle expression. This autumn, Nike.com will start shipping pairs to a few overseas locations. More colorways will follow.